Have you felt it? That subtle shift in the air? The AI landscape we knew just a week ago is already ancient history. We're not talking about incremental updates anymore. We're talking about fundamental, ground-shaking changes that will redefine how we work, create, and even think. Stick with me, because in the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down the 3 core industry shifts that just happened. And trust me, you need to know about this. First up, let's talk about speed. For years, we've accepted that powerful AI models are slow. You type a prompt, you wait, you get a response. That's the deal, right? Not anymore. OpenAI, in a power move with a company called Cerebras, just shattered that paradigm. They introduced GPT-5.3 Codex Spark, and this thing is a speed demon. We're talking over 1,000 tokens per second. To put that in perspective, that's like reading an entire page of a book in the time it takes you to blink. They achieved this by sidestepping the usual GPU traffic jams and using specialized hardware called wafer-scale engines. What this really means is that latency, the delay you experience, is no longer just a technical limitation. It's now a product feature. This creates a 2-tiered system. You'll have these lightning-fast Spark models for real-time, interactive tasks like coding or brainstorming, where the AI is finishing your thoughts as you type them. Then, you'll have the slower, deeper thinking models for complex, offline analysis. The era of waiting for your AI assistant is officially ending. It's now about instant collaboration. Next, let's move from speed to smarts. Google has just dropped a bombshell with Gemini 3 Deep Think. This isn't just another model that's good at trivia. This is about true reasoning. We have benchmarks, and they are staggering. On a test called Arcagi 2, which is designed to measure genuine problem-solving ability, Gemini 3 scored a verified 84.6%. You know who scores around 60% on that same test? Humans. This proves the model isn't just regurgitating information that's seen before, it's actually generalizing logic to solve new, unseen problems. But it gets even crazier. There's a new benchmark called Humanity's Last Exam, or HLE. It's designed to test an AI's ability to find logical errors and inconsistencies in high-level, peer-reviewed scientific papers. Gemini 3 scored 48.4%. Let that sink in. We are moving from AI as a chatbot to AI as a research assistant that can sit alongside a PhD scientist and say, hey, there's a flaw in your methodology right here. The implications for science, research, and every field of knowledge are simply immense. We've crossed a critical threshold in machine intelligence. Finally, while OpenAI and Google are battling for speed and reasoning, another giant has been quietly building the factory for the future. That company is ByteDance, and they're not just building a model, they're building the entire production stack for AI agents. These aren't simple Q&A bots. We're talking about autonomous agents capable of handling complex, multi-step projects. Their new framework, Seed 2.0, is specifically designed for these long-horizon tasks. Think of an AI that can manage an entire marketing campaign from start to finish, not just write a single ad copy. But the real game-changer is their multimedia framework, Seedance 2.0. This system can simultaneously process 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio clips in a single, unified input. It understands the relationship between sight and sound with incredible accuracy. This is huge. For creators, animators, and filmmakers, this means that entire creative pipelines, storyboarding, animating, sound design, editing are being collapsed into a single tool. Instead of a team of specialists, you might soon have a single AI agent that can take a concept and deliver a finished video. ByteDance is positioning itself to be the operating system for this new agent-driven economy. So, let's recap. We have a new tier of ultra-low-latency AI that changes the very nature of human-computer interaction. We have a new level of reasoning that elevates AI from a tool to a genuine intellectual partner. And we have the foundational infrastructure being laid for autonomous agents to take over complex production workflows. These aren't separate trends. They are converging into a new reality for AI. The race is no longer just about who has the biggest model. It's about who offers the fastest interaction, the deepest reasoning, and the most capable agents. The next year is going to be wild. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to stay ahead of these incredible shifts in the AI space, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments which of these breakthroughs you think will have the biggest impact. See you in the next one.